Hello future bankers, welcome to the day 1 practice playlist for bank exams 2025. From today we are shifting from daily to-do lists to a more focused and structured daily practice playlist. This is one of a video from the playlist. Here we are going to see reasoning score boosters. This section includes a set of high quality reasoning questions designed to improve your accuracy and speed. These are handpicked to reflect the latest pattern of IBPS, SBI, and other bank exams. So let's jump into the questions. Now we are going to see inequalities. The concept we use here is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, it means the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's understand through the questions directly. Here, the first conclusion is the flow from Y to Z. Here we can able to reach to A. From A there is no flow, so the first conclusion will be false for the first question. Second conclusion, the flow from Z to Y with everywhere equals to. From Z we can reach to A. From A there is no flow to Y, so second conclusion is also false. But here we have same Z and Y in both the statements, both the conclusions, and we have Z is lesser, Z is greater, and Z is equals to the Y. So the answer for this one will be either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Okay, next, second question. Here we see the flow from F to J. From F we can able to reach to W. From W we can able to reach to S, but cannot flow to J. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from O to T with everywhere equal to also. From O we can able to reach to F with equal to. From F we can able to reach to W, but here there is missing of equal to. So we can able to reach to T, but there is missing of equal to here, so this second case will be false. Let's see third question, the flow from K to J. From K we can able to reach to J, it is possible, so first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from R to N. From R we can able to reach to S and A, but cannot able to reach to N, so second conclusion will be false. Fourth question, the flow from K to E with everywhere equals to. From K we can able to reach to S with equals to. From S we can able to reach to E, but here missing of equal to, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from K to X with everywhere equals to. From K we can able to reach to S with equal to. From S we can able to reach to X, but there is missing of equal to, so second conclusion will be false. Here we see K is common and K is greater, both the times K is greater, so the answer for this one will be neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2 is the answer for this question. Next, fifth question, the flow from F to M with everywhere equals to. From F we can able to reach to H, but cannot flow to M, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from L to H. From L we can able to flow to H, it is possible, so second conclusion will be true. Here we have completed inequalities. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question, all leaf is grass, only a few grass is a stem. All stem is soil, this is a stem, and all stem is a soil. Let's see conclusions. Some grass is a soil, some part of grass is sharing with soil, some part of grass is sharing with soil, as it is true, so first conclusion will be true. Let's see second question, all soil can be leaf. Can we place all soil inside leaf? All soil can we place inside a leaf? As it is possible, so second conclusion will be true. Both 1 and 2 are true here. Let's see Second question, only lotus is rose means all the rose is inside lotus and rose doesn't share with anything except lotus. Second statement, only a few lotus is jasmine. Third one, some jasmine is daffodil. Okay, now let's see the conclusions. Some rose is jasmine, some part of rose is sharing with jasmine. No, it is not. Okay, here all doesn't able to share with anything except lotus, so this case fails. First conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all daffodil can be lotus. Can we place all daffodil inside lotus? Yes, it is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see question number 3. Some football is volleyball. Some football is volleyball. All volleyball is rugby. No football is cricket. Now let's see the conclusions. Here we see not. So what we check is all volleyball can be cricket. All volleyball can be placed inside cricket. It is not possible because of sharing with F. So all case fails. All case fails means some not case will be true. Second conclusion. Here we again see never, which means not. Here we see never or not anything. So what we check is all case. All rugby can be cricket. All rugby can be placed inside cricket. It is not possible because of sharing with F. So all case fails. All case fails means all never case will be true. So second conclusion is also true. Next, fourth question. So here is the fourth question. Some one is not true. Wait a second. Fourth question. Some one is not true. Remember this one. This is not all. It represents some part of one is not true. Next, only a few 2 is 3. All 3 is 4. Only a few 4 is 5. So this is the Venn diagram we got. Let's see the conclusions. Here we see not. So we check all 3 can be 1. All 3 can be placed inside 1. It is possible because here it says only some part is not sharing with 2. So all 3 we can place inside 1. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be fails. So first one false. Second one, here we see not again. So we check all 3 can be 5. All 3 can be placed inside 5. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be fails. So second conclusion is also fails. Let's see final question. It's represent here. Some sarees is suit. All suit is lehenga. All lehenga is salwar. So this is a Venn diagram. Let's see the conclusions that are given. All sarees is lehenga. All sarees is inside lehenga. No, it is not represented like this. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some sarees is not. Here we see not. So we check all sarees can be lehenga. All sarees can be able to place inside lehenga as it is possible. All case possible means some not case will be fails. So answer for this one is both. Here we get a false, but here we see sarees and lehenga. This is positive statement and this is negative statement, and suffixes are same and prefixes are same. So here the conclusions both are individually false. Now the answer for this question will be either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. By this we have completed syllogisms also. Next topic we are going to see is coding and decoding. Let's solve this one. Let's see. Here hospital is given first one. Is there any other hospital? Here we have hospital and hospital in 1 and 3. Let's see, is there any other common word? Patient. No. therapy is here. So hospital and therapy is 1 and 3. Okay, and we need to check is therapy in any other statement. Here we have therapy, so therapy is in 1, 2 and 3. So common for 1, 2, 3 is NC, no common here. UV, no common. UN and UN. So the code for UN is nothing but therapy. Okay, next, clinic. Is there common clinic in 1 and 3? No. So the hospital is the common for, so hospital is nothing but will be UV, which is the hospital, code for hospital. Next, here we got hospital and therapy codes. Let's see patient code. Patient is common in first and second. So here common word for patient, which is NC, no. UV, no. UN, no. CK is common in these two. So CK is nothing but the code for the patient. Next statement, clinic. Here we see clinic in the last, and we have only one statement in the left on the top, which is NC. NC is nothing but a clinic. Let's see second statements. Patient, we have already got doctor. So is there a doctor here? Yes, here is doctor, and another word is nurse. There is no nurse here, so the common word for 2 and 3 is doctor. So we check UN, we already seen UN, which is therapy. CK, no. CV, yes. So CV is common for these two, which is doctor. Next word common is, next one we need to see is nurse. There is no nurse, so we can able to find the nurse. We already seen patient, doctor and therapy, so only left with the CK. We have completed. UN also completed. CV also completed. PC is the nurse. Next, third one, hospital. We have seen therapy, also seen treatment. There is no treatment. Doctor, we already seen. So the only left word, left code in this one is nothing but a treatment. So treatment, code for treatment is CR. Next, last one, fracture. We don't see any fracture on the top. Clinic, we have already seen. Therapy, already seen. And ointment, we don't see any ointment in the top. So we have fracture and ointment is a possibility case. The codes for these two are BS and BA. So let's see the questions that are asked. We got all the codes. Therapy code is UN. Answer will be UN, option D. First one answer is option D. Next, second question, what is the code for CK? CK is code for patient, so answer will be option C. Third one, what may be the code for hospital staff? Here we have hospital, which is UN, and we don't have any staff, so it must be UN and other code rather than these. Let's see, UN is given here, and UV, we have UV. Where is UV? Here we have UV. Question 3, what may be the code for hospital staff? Here we have hospital, which is UV. So here we have UV in all the statements, and UN is here, it is not a staff. PC, we already have PC, which is nurse, but it is not staff. Next, CR is a treatment, not a staff. AC, we don't have AC, which is the code for the staff, so answer will be option D. Next, fourth question, which of the following code for doctor? For doctor, code is CV. Option B is the answer. Next, fifth one, what is the code for fracture? For fracture and ointment, we got two possibilities, which is BS and BA. So answer will be either A or C is our answer. So answer here is option D. So these are the answers for coding and decoding. Now we are going to see blood relations puzzle. Here the information given is there are 7 persons in a family of 3 generations. Let's note them. What are their relations? L is the only daughter of N. L is the only daughter of N. L has 2 children. Z is the son-in-law of Y. Son-in-law of Y. Y, who is a male. N is the spouse of Y. Here we have N has a only daughter which is L. Here N has a daughter which is L. Next statement is K is the child of N, means K is also a child. Here we have L is only girl child. So this is a boy. H is the nephew of K. So H is the nephew means K sister's son is a nephew and has one sister. Here and represents to H. H has one sister. H has one sister. Here we have all the alphabets which are H, I, J, H, I, L. H, there is no I. So this is the answer for, this is the place for I. So this is the solution we got for our blood relations questions. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following is the father of I? Z. So answer will be option A. Second one. What is the relation of K with respect to Y? So we check Y to K. For Y, K is son. So answer will be son, option B. Next, third question. What is the relation of N with respect to Z? We check from Z to N. From Z to N, N is mother-in-law. So B is our answer. Next. So that's all for blood relations questions. Now we have completed daily score boosters of reasoning. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the today's playlist like quant boosters and DI sets, arithmetic mixer and reasoning puzzles. Subscribe if you are new here and let's crack these bank exams together. Thanks for watching.